Bullish consequently cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $9 and $19.61 by 2030. Market examiners accept ERG could reach $9 by 2025. Bearish consequently market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.60. Hence presentation. Hence is a blockchain with DeFi functionalities. It has an extraordinary mix of top elements from two of the best performing crypto projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Therefore gets savvy contracts from Ethereum for its DeFi capacities and utilizations a POW agreement like Bitcoin for getting its organization. Hence its mining convention is designated Autolycos, which is a changed form of the mining convention utilized by Bitcoin. This convention is intended to oppose ASIC diggers and enormous mining pools, making it exceptionally energy effective. Hence likewise restricts the digging size for every hub, which further battles the negative natural effect of the POW convention used by Bitcoin. What is therefore? The thus blockchain has its own non-custodial decentralized trade called consequently DEX, utilizing a drawn-out UTXO model. It empowers clients to move liquidity dividing among different stages Cardano organizations and hence. ErgoDex depends on the AMM, with likely arrangements to execute a request book convention on its liquidity pools. This consolidation of a request book convention with an AMM convention is made conceivable via Cardano's and consequently UTXO model. The model takes into account high interoperability and shared liquidity on the two blockchains. Clients are all boosted to help the ErgoDex environment. The group behind this hence is upheld by a specialist, serious group, from lead designer Alexander Chepernoy to fellow benefactor Dmitry Meshkov. Chepernoy is a blockchain veteran, having co-wrote numerous examination papers on blockchain tech. He has chipped away at a few enormous tasks, including the NXT stage. He joined forces up with Meshkov, who matches his aptitude in programming improvement, and the two sent off the consequently primary net in July 2019. Hence basic investigation. Hence is supported by extreme scholastic examination, drawing on many years of blockchain improvement and coordinating attempted and tried components to construct a strong blockchain establishment and execute more current, inventive cryptography. Our thus research tracked down the stage to have strong basics. Underneath, we've examined a portion of thus top highlights. Productivity and unwavering quality for financial backers searching for help in genuine monetary exchanges, hence is the best stage. It can uphold dApps that run typically, permitting clients to execute a plenty of undertakings with known costs. The stage's shrewd agreements can foresee whether a code will run effectively and the amount it will cost. Openness available administrations are a critical element of worry in the cryptographic money market. Frequently, normal clients don't get to use a similar security levels as diggers on a stage, however not with hence. Consequently permits all clients to direct and completely confirm their exchanges with most extreme certainty without downloading the blockchain. The NIPOPOW framework empowers clients to get to the stage on any gadget, utilizing just 1 megabyte of information. Security consequently Sigma conventions empower clients to complete assignments that would some way or another be profoundly costly, dangerous, or absolutely inconceivable. Consequently furnishes application-level protection with trustless contents that can get to blenders without outsider intercession. Hence specialized examination. While considering hence's possibilities, the task unquestionably has discernible characteristics that could move future development. Joining a changed POW convention with shrewd agreements gives consequently more prominent energy effectiveness in view of higher protection from huge mining pools. The thus blockchain additionally doesn't need exchange charges or gas like Ethereum and others, further bringing down the section limit for potential designers keen on building applications on the consequently stage. As of recently, thus group appears to have zeroed in more on specialized improvement than advertising. Regardless of that, the ERG coin is as yet seeing critical cost increments and advancing onto extra crypto trades, assuming the group makes progress toward more far-reaching showcasing, hence might actually explode. As the stage presently stands, just the future can determine if hence's unmistakable innovative elements are enough for the stage's development. Therefore current cost, therefore is at present worth $2 USD. ERG has moved 8.72% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,693,271. Therefore is at present position 227 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $119,544,478 USD. Thus value forecast 2022. Hence, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ERG cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $3. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. averaging $2.80 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. ERG is supposed to have a base worth of $2.40. Therefore, value forecast 2023. In 2023, therefore, ERG cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ERG will before long outperform $5. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the ERG's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ERG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.40. Therefore, value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $7 and ERG might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ERG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.40 and a low of $6 in 2024. Hence, value expectation 2025. Assuming that thus effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ERG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ERG will be green in 2025. The ERG is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $9, with a base cost of $8 and a typical cost of $8.40. Hence, value forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ERG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10.40 by 2026, with a base cost of $10 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ERG has a greatest value worth of $11. Hence, value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12.40. In the event that ERG figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $13. Neglecting to accumulate the help ERG needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $12. Therefore, value forecast 2028. While ERG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $14 and a yearly cost close above $15 in 2028. Hence, value forecast 2029. By 2029, hence will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. A base cost could be $16 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $17, averaging out at $16.40. Therefore, value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired